We will be preparing potato and egg salad today. I boiled 3 potatoes, peeled and chopped them. I am now transferring them to a mixing bowl. Now I am adding a small bowl of chopped spring onion, another bowl of chopped parsley, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Let's also add half of a lemon's juice and a teaspoon of salt to it. It's time to mix it now. I am transferring it to a serving plate now. I boiled 2 eggs on the side. I am now chopping them in slices and adding them to the bowl. Our delicious salad is ready now. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!